So I was just sitting in my office playing with my phone, and something really bothered me, and I decided to make a video about it. And I know this may not affect a lot of you guys out there because there is apps that could work around it. But one thing that Apple does that really bothers me is this. Why should we only have like a handful of pictures for the wallpaper? And I mean, what is this? This seriously is one other wallpaper. Embarrassing. Apple, come on. And then I used to use this app before that I cannot to this day pronounce its name. ZG, something like that. This app. It used to be a good app, but now, interestingly, every wallpaper that you want to see, and even if you want to try it, there is a price for it, and they have their own currency, and the only way you could watch it or download it to see its full resolution, you either have to buy the app or you have to watch an ad just to download the picture and see what the final resolution looks like. So this app is just horrible. I do not recommend you guys download it. If you would have come to me a couple of years ago, 2 or 3 years ago, when I was using that app, I want to tell you straight up, that's the best app in the market because it got tons of pictures and it's all free. The only price that you pay is that you pay a little bit and then you disable the ad on it. But it's changed now. You have to disable the ads, and then you have to pay to purchase the wallpapers. And the good wallpapers are like thousands of their currency, which is a Z currency. I have no idea what it is, but basically every ad that you watch, it makes about 10 Z currency. So you do the calculation. Horrible. Just did not like their motto. Is that I mean, I understand the business aspect of it, but that's just too much. Anyway, putting that aside, going back to the actual topic, the reason that I decided to make video today, because I usually don't do it on the weekend, it's this. Apple, come on, what is this? Like, I'm forced to have this wallpaper. This is a sad wallpaper. If you see somebody with this wallpaper, truly that's sad. I feel sad for myself because I don't know. Apple, come on. Also, I'm testing out the new lighting. I'm trying to do different things. So hopefully it doesn't look horrible. But see you guys in the next one. Probably Sunday.